guys, I thought that I would discuss having kind of flat hair. So what you're seeing is I just showered, you know, it's dried obviously. This is my natural hair. So as you can tell, like my hair does kind of have like volume like here, kind of. But like, look at this. Like, it is so flat. It drives me nuts. But today I thought I would try some rollers. I've tried teasing before, you know, there's different things you can do, curl your hair, and these are actually Velcro Slumber Party Volumizing Rollers, as you can see there. I guess we'll just see if this works. So let's open this bad boy up. If I could just not like struggle here. Ooh. Okay. One of my concerns with these is that, like, the woman at Sally's recommended it, but like it doesn't have anything to like clip it in, so I'm worried it's gonna like roll out. Oh, look at that. All right, well that's actually staying pretty good. Now let's see if the whole thing will stay. So I guess I'll take the front part. I'm going to take it here, kind of stick it at the end and roll it, and I guess make sure that the length or the width you take of your hair, you don't want it to be bigger than the actual roll. So we're just going to roll it all the way to the tip. Keep her smooth, and then just roll it in. That actually kind of stays. Let's see. It's a little bit messy. Alright, let's do another part here.
It's a losing game, but this time it's more than another lot of war. This ain't the same, this ain't the same, they say love heals all.
So one thing is, like, I've got a lot of it up, but then I have this little, got a bit of a tail, but I guess I'm more worried about volume anyways. But like, this was 10 rollers are in my hair right now. Snap-a-doo. Snap-a-doo, guys. Damn. There's 10 rollers and it didn't get all my hair. I don't even think my hair is like super thick. You know, I might, oh no. You know, I was gonna redo this one, but it's like really in there now, so I like there's much I can do. So I guess I'll just leave my little rat tail. So this is what it looks like. Ooh, work a pose. I kind of like this. I feel so like, I don't know, so old-fashioned. So my plan is to sleep with this in, and we'll see what happens in the morning. Alright, I'll record really soon. I'll be back in like a night's worth of sleep. Sorry if the quality is like not as good. I just wanted to show you what it looks like trying to sleep with these in, because I don't even know what to expect. Oh, it's weird. It's bumpy. And it's weird. Just got my baby. Oh, I'm sorry, honey. Oh, I'm so sorry. I mean, it's doable, I guess. I'll let you know tomorrow. Bye. Good morning, everybody. It's about 10 a.m. and I did this about probably 2 a.m. when the baby was sleeping. So it actually stayed like pretty decently. I'm really surprised. Like I said, didn't have like clips to keep it in. It's just Velcro. But the first thing, hi Bubs. The first thing I'm gonna do though is just kind of straighten out the bottom parts and maybe kind of curl it at the end. Because I said yesterday 10 rollers didn't quite get all of my hair, but that's okay. Because, well, I mean, we'll see what happens. But I wanted to get more volume at the top anyway, so it doesn't really bug me. So. Just do a quick little curly curl. Just to clean it up because it is kind of like frizzy.
We're meant to be. That we're meant to be. We're meant to be. We've both been there before.
Yeah, something like that. Alright, here we go. I wonder what will happen.
We're meant to be. That we're meant to be. We're meant to be. We've both been there before. When a love shuts.
So this is the end product. Let's see. There's definitely more volume. I mean, you gotta be committed to the process. Like, I slept in that. At first it was kind of annoying, but like, because they're like squishy, it wasn't really that bad. So I got used to it. I mean, I woke up and like the first thing I was like, get these out of my head. They were a little bit itchy, but it wasn't anything horrible. I'm not upset with it. It definitely gave me volume. I wonder if it'll stay all day. It's not bad. You know what? I think I'm happy with it. Especially like having a baby, like you don't always have time when you wake up because they keep you so busy. So like to like really style your hair, so it's kind of nice to just like roll those up at night and then just go to bed. If you want to be all fabulous the next day, of course. I would recommend these. Yeah. I'm pretty impressed. I think next time, instead of having totally dry hair, I might let it be like towel dry and try it that way and see if it'll like give it even more volume. But like, you guys see the difference, right? Well, thank you for watching Fashion and Beauty Fridays with Celine, and I hope to see you guys soon.